Hello student, in this video I am going to start the next topic, that is flora, voles and sex. Okay, so different terms have been given to flower depending upon the presence of all four voles. All four voles matlab calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Okay, or absence of some voles, and these are: first one, complete flower, okay, first one, or second one, incomplete flower, third, bisexual or hermaphrodite, then fourth, unisexual, and fifth, naked flower. Okay, so first one is complete flower. So student, a flower is known as complete flower, okay, if all four voles, that are calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Okay, when all these four part means essential and non-essential, all four voles are present, so such kind of flower is known as complete flower. Example, hibiscus. Okay, as we already know about this because we have done the experiment on this. So hibiscus is a complete flower. Okay, now next one is, now student, next one is incomplete flower. So if one or more flora voles lacking in the flower, it is said to be incomplete. So depending upon the absence of vole, these are further of the following type. First one is staminate. Staminate. Okay, so staminate, it comes from the stamen, so that is why the flower is said to be staminate or male if the pistil or gynoecium is either absent or is non-functional. Means staminates means male part, and that is why male part is present in that flower, whereas the female part is absent or non-functional, and such flower is known as staminate. Okay, now next one is pistillate. Okay, so pistil means gynoecium, that is why gynoecium is present, whereas the another part, that is androecium, it should be absent or non-functional. Okay, example, salvia plant. Okay, now next one is neuter. So neuter means a flower is said to be neuter if both the androecium as well as gynoecium are absent. For example, ray florets of sunflower, and such flower are unable to produce seeds. Okay. Now next one is bisexual, and it is also known as hermaphrodite. Okay. So the flower having both the essential voles means androecium and gynoecium are present. Okay, so such flower is known as bisexual or hermaphrodite. Example, hibiscus. Okay, now next one is unisexual flower. A flower having either male reproductive organ means androecium or female reproductive organ means gynoecium, it is said to be unisexual flower. Means it contains either androecium or gynoecium, whereas in bisexual both are present. Okay, so in case of the flowers are unisexual, both male and female flowers may be present on the same plant or on different plants. Accordingly, plants are categorized into monoecious plants and dioecious plants. When both male and female unisexual flowers are present on the same plant, it is said to be monoecious. Example, maize, cucumber, etc. Whereas in dioecious plants, when the male and female flowers are born on different plants, they are called dioecious plant. Example, mulberry, papaya. Okay, now next is naked flower. Okay, a flower is said to be naked if both the sepals and petals, okay, they are lacking completely. Okay, and example, beetle, it is also called Achlymaedeus. Okay, so what happened in naked flower means essential voles are present, but non-essential means calyx and corolla, they are absent. Okay, so depending upon the floral symmetry means arrangement of floral organs around the axis of flower, flower can be categorized into actinomorphic and zygomorphic. Okay. So student, actinomorphic flowers are cyclic flower. As we know, all flowers are cyclic. So actinomorphic is a cyclic flower which can be divided into two equal halves which are mirror image. Means अगर आप किसी हाफ पार्ट को मिरर के सामने रखोगे तो आपको पूरा कंप्लीट फ्लावर नजर आएगा. ठीक है. सो actinomorphic a cyclic flower which can be divided into two equal halves which are mirror image of each other by any vertical plane. ठीक है. Example mustard, petunia means these flower, इनको आप कहीं से भी कट करोगे, किसी भी हाफ से आप कट करोगे तो उस हाफ को जब आप मिरर में देखोगे तो आपको पूरा कंप्लीट फ्लावर दिखाई पड़ेगा किसी भी वर्टिकल प्लेन से. ओके. वेयर एज zygomatic flower, a flower that can be divided into two similar halves which are mirror image of each other by only one plane. Means such flower, अगर आपने यहाँ से कट किया तब तो ये मिरर इमेज बनाएगा, बट अगर आपने यहाँ से कट किया तो दिस साइड इज बिगर एंड दिस वन इज स्मॉलर. सो दैट इज वाई जाइगोमॉर्फिक साइक्लिक फ्लावर they form the mirror image only at one plane, whereas they form the mirror image at any vertical plane. ठीक है. Example petunia, mustard. Example pea, salvia and so on. Okay. So I hope everything is very clear up to here. Take care.